Douzone Vision. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce the Korean electronic tax invoice, account program, and oversea case. This presentation conducted the 5 steps. First step is the company overview. Second is the account software. Third, electronic tax invoice system. Third, online business platform is Wehago. Last one is Philippine project. So first of all, I hope to introduce the company overview. So Douzone Vision is an enterprise software company, and we are leading this Korean ICT because we are #1 company in Korea. Because we have a lot of the solution like as accounting software, ERP, Courier, e-tax invoice, and cloud. And so we have to transfer our solution, focus business into cloud service in the last 10 years. So as a cloud service platform company, we are leading the ICT in Korea. I think that the reason of the Douzone is #1 ICT in Korea because we already think about the better service. So better is very important because the Douzone is meaning the better in Korea. Currently, there are 15 coordinator centers in Korea with 200 consultants. 200 consultants, they are the support is Korean SMB to make the ICT environment. Also, we have the 5 branches in the overseas. So first is China, Japan, Philippines, Brunei, and Oman. This photo is our Douzone Vision headquarters. Our headquarters located in the mountain, so our developer is very easily focused on their job. So our company always think about how to provide is good benefit to make the solution, even though our employment. Also, this company operates cloud center at the head office. We already provide the cloud service for the 20,000 company in our cloud center. The short introduction of the company story. Let's start in its account program and electronic tax invoice. First, let's find out about the Korean taxation law. Each country may be a little bit different, but as a Korean law, every general taxpayer in Korea have to bookkeeping obligation. In addition, there are also benefit and penalty for big bookkeeping to encourage corporate bookkeeping. As shown in the screen, Korean started the electronic system to the national tax system, starting with the B.A.G is 2001. At this time, bookkeeping solution used by the 90% company in Korea is Douzone Smart A. Smart A has provided a lot of the function like its accounting, HR, logistics, and electronic tax filing. So especially, we provided the automatic bookkeeping of account. So our solution service scrapping by the electronic tax invoice and credit card and cash receipt and passbook, bank book. So we are scrapping all of source from all of source every night, and we are matching with the Douzone big data to make the bookkeeping. So I think this is technology that greatly enhanced our company productivity and enable AI in accounting system. The scrap data is automatically bookkeeping by like as on you see now, and you can easily check it. In addition, this bookkeeping data will automatically generate the VAT filing report and other is the taxation report. After error checking, a user just need to upload them to the NTS home tax website. Also, in-depth analysis is of data, including the financial accounting, HR, and tax filing generated by the Smart app. can prevent the omission or error of the tax filing, thereby make it possible to filter management risk and this condition and prevent loss. In the identification of error, find to run count to the act in advance could prevent omission of tax filing. Douzone B.A.G regularly conduct a training seminar annually in accordance with corporate tax, income tax, and VAT report period in order to spread the electronic tax system in Korea. In this way, I think that corporate reports are also important to support the computational tax. Next chapter is electronic tax invoice system in Korea. The electronic tax invoice system in Korea went through a 5 years preparation period in 2003, a pilot period of the 3 years in 2008, and formal implementation 2011. Currently, all tax invoices are computerized and issued by managed. Korea also started paper tax invoice since 1977. I also remember that it's issued the tax invoice by paper. The format of the electronic tax invoice is very variable in each country. Please refer the Korean tax invoice form. Korean tax invoice information consists of the supply information and report day, total amount of supply value and tax, buyer's information, supplies goods, name, currency, unit price, total of the supply value, tax of each goods. The tax invoice show of the first website provide the e-tax invoice showing of the 1996. Business started with the e-tax from the 2001. So as you know that e-tax invoice system has a lot of the benefit and advantage. So if it's a tax invoice issued by paper, they has a lot of risk. Like is have to is at least 5 minutes to the fill out time, and they have to is stored at least 5 years and sent by post with $3 every time. Very expensive and very hard. But e-tax invoice has a lot of benefit. They are spent only 3 minutes the fill out time, and it's possible sent by email, and they don't need keeping the original data because all of data stored at NTS and ASP. Also expensive, very cheap. It's just only is $0.2. There are many ways to issue a tax invoice in Korea. This method will be helpful if you are starting a tax invoice system in the future. First, a tax invoice is issued by the NTS, is Korean NTS is home tax site. It is a very stable operate and free of charge, but require more powerful function and compared with the ASP. So a lot of client using the ASP service. It is AS service. Douzone is a ASP service supplier. So they operate the website for issuance e-tax invoice. AS provider is required by the KISA certification in Korea. It is paid service, but they has a lot of function. Third is API agent is running on their ERP or the accounting software to make the e-tax invoice. Sales statement is exchanged to the XML file and sent to NTS with the PKI module for the security. Last one is for the large taxpayer development. Large taxpayer development the e-tax invoice insurance system without using the ASP or home tax service. The system required by the certificate by the NTS and KISA in Korea. Douzone is ASP supplier, so we already has a lot of the know-how because we has already over this 500 million issuance history and over this 490,000 client is number one is a supply in Korea. So if you are wondering that, so what is the Douzone solution, you can easily check it at the website. The website address is www.wehago.com www.wehago.com. So you can easily check the detailed service by accessing the site we can see. Douzone provides a variable service through the business platform. We can use the variable service such as the Douzone tax, accounting, human resource, electronic tax invoice, community, and document solution. If you have a chance, it will be a good idea to check it out by visiting out the site. Currently, Douzone conduct the project is electronic receipt and invoice system and electronic sales report system in the Philippines. So we are cooperate with KOMYRA and BIR. BIR is a Philippine taxation office. So this project is conducted by the KOMYRA ODA project. This project conduct for the 2 years until next year December, and total project cost is $5 million. First step, we need to solve the problem of the reducing the utilization through the parallel processing of the ITS and ETIS. So this project will migrate the existing BIR tax system or perform data integration. And we will solve the problem of the data inconsistency through the disparate management of the tax information. There is some data mismatch between the ITS, ETIS, B.A.G, EFPS, EBIR form. This system is a BIR is a taxation system. There is no BIR standard due to the data standardization management for each system. We will present a way to integrate the multiple systems. The existence of the barriers between channels. So disconnection of the information service flow between channel lead the early departure of users. So we will provide the electronic tax invoice portal site that can be used by many people. Also, BIR necessary improve the infrastructure according to aging all the infrastructure. So we will replace some aged equipment to ensure smooth service. Douzone vision is to carry out the project in the Philippines with the know-how of the electronic tax invoice system, and it is trying to become a business that we can provide great direction to be the Philippines national tax invoice system in the future. Thank you.